Thomas.
Where are you guys from?
We are from Kenya, Tanzania.
Nice.
Yes.
I've been there.
You've been to Kenya?
Yeah, I was in Kenya. I was in Kenya October last year in Mombasa. In Nairobi and Mombasa.
Oh yeah?
I even flew Kenya Aero.
You kidding me? How long were you there?
We were for 3 weeks there doing a social activity.
What do you guys do actually?
So we are Aviation MRO, that means we provide services to the industry. Across segments. We repair engines, as you see here.
So this is for you repair, you don't produce.
Exactly.
I mean, you have the full model here.
Yeah, that is important to say. We specialize in repairs, engines, aircraft components, aircraft engines.
Do you have specific engine types that you deal with, or you?
I think we are one of the most comprehensive suppliers in the world. The strongest capabilities all over the world.
I see.
One of the largest markets.
You have like branches all over the place, or are you just based on one specific area?
We have workshops, also commercial teams all over the world.
Okay. So it's a German company. You help us understand.
Lufthansa Group is, we're saying, a German company, and a subsidiary company, Lufthansa Technik.
Okay.
And we third party.
Do you have any like any operational thing?
I am sure we have commercial things other than the big Aero commercial network of destination.
Interesting. Okay, so I see there you have a poster for USA.
We do.
Serviceable materials. Why is it a big thing today in aviation? Why? Can you tell us more about it?
Of course, it's a big thing because the whole supply chain is facing a lot of challenges. OEMs have a hard time keeping the demand that is required to produce new parts. So USM has become a very big thing because it comes from tier down aircraft. We are able to give a second life instead of components which otherwise would either in landfill or disposal.
How do you acquire your tear-down planes? Is it just components, or do you acquire airplanes full frame?
No,
Can you tell us more? How do you acquire your tear-down parts?
I am not into the specifics of any of my areas of experience. However, I would say that we only acquire aircraft components. I think it's a widespread practice. It's becoming a very hot thing.
Yes.
Because Technik has very recently launched a specific USM service dedicated to trading these materials around, sourcing it, and selling it, recertifying and supporting the whole value chain that is included into the certification.
So you acquire fixed
So we acquire, we do the entire revision process, recertification, repair in case it's needed, all the corresponding procedures, and then we come to the market.
good to know. Really appreciate this. So any African, if you're an operator and you have components which you are going to dump out, maybe they might be interested, to get in the US part.
Absolutely.
Yeah, thank you for your time, and you're the best. You'll get tomorrow again?
I am here tomorrow, but where are you guys from? Kenya? Are you guys visiting?
So yes, so we actually from Kenya. He's from Dar es Salaam, close to I'm based in Aero, Tanzania. He's from Tanzania. So you need to go to Tanzania.
I have been.
Oh yeah?
I climbed Kilimanjaro.
Oh,
look at this.
Oh really? Man.
That's because it doesn't like the line. It's pretty cool.
Wow. That's the second, the highest or the second?
It says here, Africa's highest point.
Wow. How long did that take?
I think we spent there 5 days.
pleasure.
Thank you very much. You have a very beautiful country.
Have you planned Everest as well?
For that, I need to quit on burgers.
Come on. Welcome to Tanzania.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Good take care, man. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, bye.